Hi everyone, hope you all well with good health, and today we are preparing something different with the French recipes. We are preparing fricassee chicken. So let's start. I have here chicken breast and I have cut here with a butterfly cut and washed it properly. After washing it, I'm going to flatten it. So if you have a polythene bag, or you can use cling film as well. Now moving to mixture. With 2 eggs, I'm just adding crushed liquid peppercorn, half a teaspoon, salt per taste, mix well. I have switched on the flame and I have already added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In olive oil I am using 1 heapful teaspoon of butter. Allow it to melt. Meanwhile, I have here all-purpose flour 3 tablespoons. I am adding a little salt and pepper to season it. Our flattened chicken I am coating with the flour. As you can see, our chicken is cooked both the sides, nice and golden color. I'm taking this out in a plate. In the same pan, I'm adding diluted apple cider vinegar. I have added 3 tablespoons of water in half cup of our cider vinegar, straight going in pan. With this, I'm adding salt for taste. Be careful, we are using a chicken stock, half cup of chicken stock, 2 cloves of the garlic mince, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, one tablespoon of chopped cilantro or coriander, half lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Topping with chopped coriander or cilantro. So here our fricassee chicken is ready. Hope you all have enjoyed thoroughly. I have served here with the orange juice. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next week. Till then, goodbye.